Hello everyone, how you doing today? I'm back with another video, and in today's video we have an Xbox controller here, and I made another video how to change the clicks on the tactical clicks on the your LB and RB triggers. But in this video I'm going to show you guys, for those who keep asking me, how to replace the triggers itself, not the tactical click, the plastic which is broken. This one has a broken plastic right here, it just comes off. So if you move it around, it will come out. So if yours is broken, first you need your replacement ones. And these are the replacement for these ones here. I'll leave this. A specific model for this one is a model 1697. You can find it right on the bottom label under the battery. So these triggers are for the first gens, which are the 1697. So let's keep this video really short and let's get into it. Tools that you're going to be using, it's a screwdriver set. As always, I recommend you guys to grab the UFIXTEK screwdriver set. And from here, I'm just going to show you guys which bit you're going to be using. First, we need to remove the panels on the side. All the Xbox, they come with the same way. You just have to put your fingernails right in here and your thumb here. Pretty much, I'm just going to pull it up this way really hard. You're going to hear big clicks. That's normal, and all the dirt and dust that is in there, you want to just use a toothbrush to clean it. Do the same thing on the other side. Pull it up really hard. It should come out. Right, once you remove this one, there's a 4 torque screw. 1, 2, 3, 4. And there's a hidden torque screw right in the middle. The one in the middle, you can puncture it or just make a really cross right in the middle there. And you can expose the screw right in there. There you go. Alright, this is torque number, I believe, torque 7. No, torque 7 is really short, so it's torque number 8. So grab torque number 8. These are secure torque, that means they have a little pinhole inside the torque. So remove all 5 screws. I use a magnet in here to pull them up if you want to. Alright, once we remove all the screws, now the first thing is going to come out is the faceplate. We're going to remove the faceplate. And second thing is, again, we want to remove this plastic over here. So we're going to lift up from here a little bit and lift up from this side and pull it towards the front end of the console. Once you lift up a little bit, you need to push this power on button down, the Xbox button under, and lift up these triggers and push them back. So the button stays there. So you push the button down and you lift up these two sides upward and you push them this way. And there's this trigger right here and this one right here, and the missing part, it is right over here. So I'm just gonna grab a tweezer and remove this one here. So there you go. So what you want to do, you want to grab the new one, which is this one over here, and you want to place it right in here. Just move it around a little bit. It should fit nice and snugly right there. Once you have it in place, alright, next you want to just grab it like this. You want to pull these two triggers back a little bit. You want to first scoop the bottom side under this USB port right there. So you scoop it right there underneath and bring it over. Now you want to accommodate the trigger right here. You want to pull it back and slide it right under this plastic right there. Same thing in here. While I'm holding it in here, I don't know if you guys can see this one here. This trigger right there is going over. So you want to pull it back and twist it slowly so it goes underneath right there. And that's it. And now you want to bring the top and push it in. You're going to hear that click. So it's going to get in place. Now both of them are working just fine. All right, now the next step in here will be to grab the top faceplate. You can go ahead and use a toothbrush to clean it up, make it nice and tidy. And this one, they go right through there. Grab the faceplate, put it right on top. And make sure it's nice and snuggled right there. Grab the 4 screws at the bottom. First put the mid one. First put the mid screw and then grab the rest of the screws and place them right on the sides. And I'm going to show you guys how to put the side panels on. It's really easy. You just have to snap them on place. So let's put this screws right at the bottom. And there we go. So now we're going to grab this one. We're going to first set it on top. This one is for this side. Set it on top. Make sure it sits right there even. And then you just want to pinch both of them together. And that's it. You just want to pinch them right in. Put it on top and pinch it right in there. Alright guys, I hope you guys like this video and it helped you guys to replace your trigger covers for your Xbox One controller. This one was the model 1697. Again, if you like this video, please click that like button and think about subscribing if you want to support the channel. If you have any question or requests, feel free to leave them in a video comment. I'll try to answer them as soon as I can. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.